when the Flood Brothers came by like an hour ago with $1,000, I said I would do a free commercial for any business that came by and gave us big money. Of course, we're appreciative for all the donations today at the Dunkin' Donuts, 5200 North Lincoln, by the way, which is on the corner of Lincoln and Foster. Nonetheless, so they gave us $1,000, and so I was sort of joking when I said, if you roll by in another truck and give us another G, I'll give you another spot. And
we're sort of serious.
And then another truck comes rolling up from Flood Brothers. Ken gets out and comes in with another check for $1,000. So that's $2,000 from Bill Flood and Flood Brothers, which is the only place I go for garbage trucks, recycling,
disposal.
I'm going to tell you something about it. I've known those guys for a long time. I grew up with Bill Flood, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I grew up with him.
Where'd you
I went to high school. Humble beginnings.
Wow.
On Lombard. Humble beginnings.
In Lombard, you went to high school?
What's that?
School?
Oak Park?
Oak Park.
Thank you. Humble beginnings in Oak Park. And we didn't have a lot. And he just worked and worked and worked all the way. And started
when you were in school?
Yeah. Well, yeah. He started with one truck. And we graduated.
Right.
And now he's got a lot of trucks and a lot of money. I'm really proud to know Bill Flood and Flood Brothers. And I'm actually an honorary Flood brother.
Really?
Yeah. It's true.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyway.
I didn't know they had.
So there's no other place to use but Flood. Isn't that right, Caitlin?
I use it for all my disposing.
Recycling rocks.
Yeah, it really does.
Very into recycling.
Disposing is good, too.
This guy's come by with 2G today, which is amazing. I mean, honestly, I don't know what we've raised in the past, but that's got to be a record, $2,000. All jokes aside, thank you so much to Flood Brothers.